Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Spotify playlists to MP3. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Spotify app. From here, go to your library on the bottom section. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right, and in this menu select Playlist. Now create a new playlist. After you're done creating the playlist, you can see there are some songs already added as recommended. Now just tap on Add to this playlist and then search and add songs that you like. Add as many songs as you like. And after you're done, tap on the back icon on the top left. As you can see, all the songs are added to your playlist. Now just tap on the download icon here, and now the songs will be downloaded to your phone. Note that you need Spotify Premium in order to access the service and is done. So that's basically how you can download Spotify playlist to MP3. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.